Hey guys, it's me Elise and I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new wig video and I have a wig from Elva. I will leave all the information down below, so be sure to check there. This is everything that came with my wig per usual, and this is what the wig looks like prior to me doing anything to it. Now this wig is called Where's the Lace front wig, and this has that Swiss transparent lace attached to it, so I will be tinting it just because it looks really white on my skin. This wig is also in that 12-inch bob cut style, and it has that loose wavy texture, in which I will be restyling later on in this video, as well as customizing this wig as usual, so you guys stay tuned. But this is what the wig looks like on before I done anything to it. It's giving me grandma right now, but we're gonna take care of that later. You guys can see how much parting space you get. This is one of their 13 by 6-inch lace front wigs, and I'm feeling that lace parting space. But right now I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots as I usually do. If you guys want to see a more detailed video, I'll be sure to link one in the cards above. But I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So I allowed the bleach to sit on the knots for about 20 minutes or so, and now I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off. I'm using my silicone mix shampoo and conditioner. I will link everything that I'm using throughout this video in the info section below in case you guys are interested. But I'm going to go ahead and finish shampooing and conditioning and detangling this hair, and I will see you guys once I am done with that. So as I mentioned before, this wig does have that transparent Swiss lace that I will be tinting because it was kind of light on my complexion. So I'm going in with my Right Synthetic More clothing dye in the color chocolate brown, and I added about a teaspoon to some boiling hot water, and I allowed the lace to sit in that mixture for about a minute or two. You don't want to go too long, so you don't want it to get too dark, but a minute or two should work for you. It worked for me. And as you guys can see, it does blend in nicely. So now I'm going to go ahead and thin out the hairline because it's looking kind of boxy. Now this hairline was pre-tweezed, but when you look at it overall, it kind of needs a little extra work. So once again, if you're a beginner, you don't have to do this because it is ready to go. However, I'm just going to take it a step further and, you know, customize it to my liking. So I went ahead and I pulled out the baby hairs, and now I'm going behind the hairline and just thinning that out just a bit. I'm not taking out too much hair as I usually do, just a little bit. A little goes a long way with a already pre-tweezed wig. I'm going to also remove some hair in the parting section just to make it look a little more realistic. And then I'm going to go ahead and style up the baby hairs. We're going to do minimal baby hairs, nothing too drastic. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys with the next step. Okay, so this is the next day and the hair is completely dry. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Design Essentials heat protectant serum and apply that all over. Then I'm going to do some wand curls. I wanted to mimic the style that it originally came in, but just perfect it. Make it look like a cute little summer bob. So I'm using this, I want to say this is like a 1 inch, 1.5 inch, I could be wrong, curling wand barrel. I will leave it in the info section below. But I'm going to add some subtle wand curls all over. Now you guys do notice that this wig is about 180% density, so adding wand curls really did help add some volume to the wig. So I went ahead and I did that. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with some holding spray just to kind of keep those curls. However, this wig really did hold the curls nicely even without the spray. I was pleasantly surprised by that. So yeah, so this is the next day. I'm doing this all like day by day because I get sidetracked very easily. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. You guys can see how nicely the lace blends in with my skin tone prior to how it looked before. I probably could have gone down about one more shade just so that it works better for me. However, it is what it is. It's pretty good. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and trim off the lace, and then we're gonna go ahead and glue this wig down. I'm going in with my Got To Be glue gel, and this is just going to temporarily hold it down in place because y'all know I like to take my wigs off at night. So I went ahead and I attached that. Then I'm gonna just, you know, fix up the baby hairs just a little bit to make it look a little more polished and together. Now I'm using my MAC what is this, mineralized skin finish powder in dark, and I'm going in the parting section just to open up the parting space a little more. Gonna go ahead and give this wig a comb down. And then I noticed that I kind of had like that cone head on top because of my canvas block. So a really good and easy step in order to get rid of that cone shaped top is by adding a little bit of mousse, or you can go in with a hot comb. But my hot comb takes forever to heat up, so I just went ahead with the mousse. And this is what the style looks like. It's giving me classic and classy. It's feminine and youthful, perfect for the summertime. I like it. I don't really usually go for shorter styles, but this one I like it. It's super feminine and flirty, and once again it's summer ready, and yeah, it's just enough to give you like that nice feminine edge. So again, you guys check out Elva. I will have all the information provided in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.